Overnight guests are on their way. Are you trying to annoy them? If not, I have 5 things you need to fix before they arrive. Come on over. Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time. I have been an overnight guest in many homes, in many states, cities, even countries, and all 5 of these things have happened to me. And they're easily fixable. Now, the last one will take you a little more time, so stick around for that one. Number 1, bathroom counter space. Now, I've been in a lot of guest bathrooms, which probably are children's bathrooms, and the entire countertop is covered in bathroom supplies. There's nowhere for me to put anything, not a curling iron, not makeup, nothing. It's very difficult to work in there. And this is easily solvable with some sort of container. Just put all of those supplies in something like this. This is just a basket, and I put all of my regular daily supplies in here. I put it on the sink when I'm ready to use it, stick it under the sink when I'm not. Clears off the counter space. Do your guests that little favor. And while you're in there, check the light bulb situation. I have been in guest bathrooms that are supposed to have 3 lights, but they have 1. And so here I am, putting on my mascara, can barely see to do anything in there. These are light bulbs. You can get them at the grocery store. So just go in there, flip the switch. You probably were meaning to do it anyway. Put this on your grocery list. Get 3 matching ones. Don't just replace 2. Do all 3 matching. Install them. Done. Your guests will appreciate it. And number 3, go ahead and check those outlets in the bathroom. I was just at a hotel where the outlets on one side were not working. I tried everything I knew how to do with my skill set. Didn't work. So I had to go into another room to curl my hair. So go in there and check the outlets. For real. Plug something in, see if it works. If it doesn't work, it could be as easy as a reset. If it's more complicated and needs an electrician, schedule one today. And if you're enjoying any of this advice I'm giving you, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment below. We're a community and we learn from each other. Now let's dip into the bedroom where your guest will be staying. And this could be a family bedroom, maybe for one of your children, or it could just be a guest room that you're using as a storage facility like we do. And when guests come, we clear it out and we check everything. Number 1 problem is nowhere to hang my clothes. You know why? That closet is a storage space. So just get one of these handy dandy over the door hangers, get a few nice hangers, and now they're hanging the clothes on the outside of the closet. They can see it. It works beautifully. I think I got this from Amazon. We'll link it down below. And you're ready to go. Easy, easy, easy fix. And now for the more complicated fix. Number 5, curtains. You may love the scenic view outside of your bedroom windows, but your guests would probably like some darkness while they sleep. So they need curtains. They don't need an old sheet tacked to the wall. Blinds plus curtains would be the real win, but you can get blackout curtains and a curtain rod for less than $50. I have guest curtains that are blackout curtains in my guest room I got for $20 on the buy sell trade pages. They've been there for 10 years. They're beautiful. People love them. They work. Already had the curtain rod, installed it one afternoon, got it all done. You can too. Now that involves a little more preparation, but do it. And here's my final piece of advice. Actually spend the night in your own guest space. I've done this. I encourage you to do it because you're going to discover all kinds of things about that space. The light bulb situation, the outlet situation, the curtain situation, the room, the smell, the sounds. I wrote a whole article about this on our website, comeonovershow.com. Check it out. Get ready for your guests and do your best to just not annoy them. I have 5 easy fixes on the website, comeonovershow.com. show.com. Is that right? Beautiful. Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.